Hi and welcome everybody in this new video on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Today I'll be showing you how to load film into the Contax T. So the first thing you want to do is put this little lock button in the position it's on right now. So then you'll be able to just remove the back relatively easily, just like that. It slides right off, similar to the Rollei 35S. And then what I like to do generally is open up the front so you're able to take a picture. I'll show you why in a second. Now we just take out the film roll. It's gonna be a little bit finicky doing this. Let's see, there we go. Take out the roll of film. I'm gonna be shooting some Ultramax in it. And then we wanna put in the roll of film right here. Just like that. Let's see. I just got this camera yesterday, so it's a little bit new to me in a way, but not too new. There we go. Take out a little bit of the film, and then you want to make sure you're putting the film right in here. So I'm going to advance it like a tiny bit, so I have a nice sprocket to go in, just like that. Maybe a little bit more in here. Let's see. Advance it. Make sure it's nice and snug. Put the pressure plate back on. That looks good to me. And then we close the back again if that's possible. There we go. Make sure you unlock this, and then you're pretty much ready to go. Take a shot. Here you can see still not on frame 1. Now we are on frame 1. There you go. Beautiful looking rangefinder camera. Tiny camera. Yeah, that's it already. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Have fun with your Contax T and have a wonderful day, everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. Let's get a little close up in here. Titanium, supposedly at least. But yeah, take care, everybody. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and have fun shooting some film.